Hey guys, what is up? It's Melanie, and in today's video, you guys are helping me move back to school for the very last time. If you're new here, hi, what's up? My name is Melanie. I am a senior in college and I'm about to graduate. I'm actually moving back down to school in less than 2 days, so help me out here, guys. Hey friends, I might just cry at some point in this video because one, I absolutely hate packing and I don't want to do it, and two, I don't want to move back to school. I sound like a broken record saying it, but I just love summer and I don't want to pack and I don't want to go back to doing classes. I know stuff is a little backwards because I already moved into my apartment earlier during the summer. I did like a pre-move just to like furnish things so that I wouldn't be like chaotic and a hot mess once school is starting. So if you saw that, I want to have like a little book corner, book nook. So contrary to last school year, I think I'm gonna bring more books with me, like reads that I personally want to do, not like my school textbook. Last year I only brought like 4 and I literally read one of them, but I'm gonna bring more. I know that probably doesn't make sense, but hopefully I'll read more of them. Dangerous to read this during school, but if I don't read it, I don't know if I'm ever gonna read it. I started one summer and then I decided I didn't want to be sad, so I literally stopped reading it, but yeah, I think I read all the other books here, so that's what I'm bringing with me. Here's the thing, I also mentally told myself how many shoes I'm gonna bring, and I tried to limit it to 2 racks. So these 2 racks are what I told myself I'm bringing. Hopefully I stick to that. I'm adding Birkenstocks though, and look, I might need to add these Converse because I wear them so much. Alright guys, one of the other things that I want to start packing is my craft supplies, and I have this little kit. I don't remember where I got it from, maybe Target, but it just like is a little toolbox, and I'm gonna put all my craft supplies in it. So I'm gonna start packing. I have some stuff in here now, but I'm packing like my sewing stuff. I've never brought my sewing machine to school, but I started sewing again this summer and I forgot how much I love it, so I'm gonna bring it with me, and then hopefully if I like don't have enough clothes, I'll just sew myself more clothes, right? But look at this little toolbox. It's so cute and fun. Right now I just have paint, I have a glue gun, Mod Podge, ruler, tape, ribbon. I have a little bag of friendship bracelet string and some, I don't know, elastic, but I'm gonna pack some more sewing stuff. I also will not shut up about these, but I made a bunch of like makeup pouches and they've been so super duper handy. Right now this is holding some of my sewing stuff, but I'm sure I'm gonna pack more of these little guys filled with other things. Okay guys, so this is the last thing I'm doing for today, but I just got some makeup stuff and skincare stuff that I have at home. I'm just gonna bring a lot of it down so that I don't need to buy more while I'm there. Lotion, I have makeup remover. I'm bringing this little thing because I bought this a while ago. It's like to wash your makeup sponge. I don't know, I just really fell into the Target $5 section, so I'm gonna make myself use it. And then I also have some makeup goodies that I am also gonna bring. So here's the deal. You saw that I started a couple things like nail polish and my craft supplies, but now we are on to the big daunting part, which is of course clothes. The clothes. Okay, this is pretty embarrassing, but I'm not gonna lie. When I moved back from school in the beginning of summer, I genuinely didn't know that like folding your clothes and like packing them nicely makes a difference, which actually sounds really pathetic. I literally just threw everything in a trash bag and I was like, why is nothing fitting in my car? But we are learning from this. I got this in literally like middle school, but I'm like, is this gonna fit? I'm gonna make it fit. We're starting right now with t-shirts. Clothing always seems super overwhelming, and I always tell myself that I'm gonna be a minimalist and not bring that much, and then somehow I always end up bringing way too much. But I'm gonna, I don't know, try harder this year, I guess. So I just like to break it down. I'm starting off with doing t-shirts, then I'll do like tank tops, and then maybe like active wear, but we're just gonna take things slowly and hopefully it figures itself out. My girl brain is not working right now, and it's just like, oh, like I brought this to school with me last year, so I can't bring it this year, but like in what world does that make sense? I don't know. I thrifted this Trader Joe's shirt, and like it's kind of like a gag joke shirt, but I think I'm gonna bring it because I think it's so funny. Right now I have only 5 t-shirts and this long sleeve. Not bad, right? Let's move on to tank tops. I think I'm gonna have a lot here because I swear I'm always wearing them. I also just like roll these and I fold them so poorly, so to like take them all out to look at them in the first place. Also, for packing my clothes, I have these little cloth Ziploc baggy thingies. I have 2 of them, and they're like pretty big. This one's a little bit smaller. And then I also have these bins, and I think I'm just going to like fold stuff and put it in here so that once I get it to school, I can just like unpack it and like slide it into my closet, kind of like these bins I have here. Just doing things to help my future self out. Guys, I'm actually thoroughly shocked. This is my tank top slash like short sleeve bin. The fact that it's not completely full is pretty surprising to me. All right guys, we're moving on over to another big one in the closet, which is gonna be skirts and shorts and pants and stuff. Let's just get into it. Earlier this summer, filmed me like cleaning out my entire closet, and I swear it like lasts for a little bit and then I restock stuff so quickly. It's awful. Linen pants, an absolute must. They're like my cargo jeans. I have these super wide leg flare jeans I wear all the time. Like my only business slacks, I swear, but they're so good. I also try to remember like what season I'll be at school in, obviously. So since it's fall semester, I'll be there from about end of August until December. So it shouldn't be like too cold in California. So I say that as I'm bringing a ton of pants. So maybe I should cut this down actually. Corduroy pants, linens, other linens and jeans. Okay, what are we at right now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pairs of pants. Is that a lot? I don't even know. All right, from here I have a bunch of shorts and skirts, so let's look through that. Okay, I don't even think this is too bad. I have 2 long skirts, 1 mini skirt, 1 midi skirt, and then 3 pairs, or I guess 2 pairs of jean shorts, and then this is like a jean skirt, right? Not bad, right? I'm now on to like dresses and jumpsuits and overalls. I think I'm gonna bring these 3 sets of overalls. Little update, those are all of my bottoms, the tank tops I showed you earlier, t-shirts and stuff. I packed some of my activewear here, and then this is my pile that I'm working on for jumpsuits and dresses. I think I'm just realizing I really just like neutrals so much. Then we just have to go through all of the hung clothes, which I know is the bulk of it. We're making our way over there. I shortened my stack a lot, and then I just have 1 more stack up there. What are you doing over there?
Playing with this.
Been genuinely entertained by my pen for the past like 20 minutes. The fact that my closet looks very normal even after I've packed my wardrobe. This has forever been one of the best. Where's the center? Ew, I cut it so bad. One of the best college like packing hacks. You just take a garbage bag and you keep all of your clothes on hangers. This way you don't have to like rehang everything. You just put the trash bag over it and you cut a little hole in the middle top of the trash bag so the hangers can poke through. Trash bag might be a little small. I like using this type too because then with the bottoms you can just tighten it. This way, all of your clothes also stays clean. Voila! Hey guys, I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty proud of this. This is what I'm bringing for jewelry, and in the past, I would bring this entire rack, which I kind of liked as room decor. I think it's really cute, but honestly, I barely end up wearing any of the jewelry. I tend to change my jewelry every once in a while, and then I kind of just stick with it and like don't change it out. So because of that, I don't think I need a bunch of jewelry. I just bought a couple different like necklaces and rings and stuff. I want to like stack rings and whatnot, but we are getting there. I'm almost done with accessories and I have pretty much all of my clothes packed. So I'm getting there. Hi friends, a little update. It is the next day, which means we are leaving early tomorrow morning. I'm pretty much all done packing, but it is time to load everything in the car, which means we need to see if it fits. I think it will. I feel like I don't have that much stuff, or like just compared to the masses I had when I moved home. I feel like cars can hold a lot more than you think they can, but just the idea of like moving everything, playing Tetris, it's never fun, but let's get it over with. Oh my gosh. Guys, the other thing is that it is so hot in Washington today. It hit 90. I think it was like 91 or 92, which is like really hot for us. And I don't have AC, so it was just way too hot to like pack stuff into my car. Even packing inside was really hard today. This is pretty much my pile that needs to make it into my car. So let's move it and start packing. Hello guys, as you can see by the sky, it is much later now. It's like 9 p.m. so we need to get to sleep so that we can get on our early road trip tomorrow. But the car is all packed. Would you look at that beautiful Tetris work by the one and only, and the back isn't even like that full, so I don't know. That's an improvement because on the drive up we couldn't even look out the back window, which was a little bit rough, making it so much more real now that the car is entirely packed and we're heading off so soon. Hi friends, what is up? We are now on the road. We're actually on a little break, but I totally forgot to end off this video. So as you can see, we are in the car. We are about halfway on our drive down to California right now, but I just wanted to thank you guys so much for helping me pack. As you can see, I still have plenty of room up here, which I'm so proud of, but it did get a lot fuller over last night. But thank you guys so much for packing with me and helping me, and I can't wait to see you guys in my new apartment and once I'm starting up school. But thanks so much for joining, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye guys.